What happens when you combine a tractor, a skid steer, a pickup, and a side-by-side? You get this, a Bobcat UW56 Toolcat. Bobcat calls this a farm all-rounder, a machine designed to replace multiple pieces of equipment. So let's see if it lives up to that promise. Bobcat has had the Toolcat in its range for years, but this latest version adds practical upgrades: LED work lights, a more responsive drive system, reverse camera, and updated display. The concept remains the same: one machine that can haul, lift, tow, mow, and handle everyday property work. Power comes from a 61 horsepower Tier 4 engine designed specifically for utility applications. The business end is up front, with more than 45 compatible attachments, from buckets and forks to mowers and brooms. It's built to take on just about any task. Bobcat's Bobtouch mounting system allows quick attachment changes, while the optional Power Bobtouch system lets operators switch attachments without leaving the cab. Lift capacity is rated at 680 kilograms at the arms, enough for hay bales, soil, feed, or general materials around the farm. Standard LED work lights improve visibility and safety in low light conditions. Step into the middle and you've got a fully enclosed cab, which matters when you're working in dust or unpredictable weather. There's seating for two with decent space and comfort. Controls are straightforward and ergonomic. It's not overloaded with technology, but it gives you everything you need. Heating and air conditioning come standard, a must in Australia's unpredictable climate. At the rear, this is where it becomes more than just a loader. This cargo box has a capacity of 907 kilograms. Now that's a serious load of firewood. The tray can be hydraulically lifted from inside the cab, making unloading simple and efficient. There's also a 2-inch receiver hitch with a 1.8-ton towing capacity, whether that's a trailer, sprayer, or just tools for the day. That's enough standing around. Time for a drive. The UW56 features keyless start, similar to modern vehicles. The top speed of this machine is only 28 kilometers per hour, so it's not designed to be speedy, but for work around the property, I think it's more than enough. Steering's pretty light too, and with that all-wheel steer and the tight turning circle, you can really feel how maneuverable it is. The 3.4-meter turning radius gives it an advantage in tighter areas compared to a conventional ute. Front attachments are controlled via joystick, similar to a traditional skid steer loader. And the shuttle shift makes direction changes easy: forward, reverse, and done. And I like that it's simple. It's just high range, low range, there's no overthinking it. And there's even a cruise control function to reduce fatigue when you have repetitive jobs at hand. Creature comforts such as USB charging ports, storage trays, and a radio enhance the operator experience. Ride comfort's pretty decent, and the independent suspension definitely helps it get over uneven ground. An updated driver response system delivers smooth acceleration and deceleration. If you're moving between lifting, hauling, and towing throughout the day, this feels like a practical compromise between multiple machines. I've seen some versatile machines in my time, but this one may just take the cake. And if you can genuinely replace 2, 3, or 4 machines on a property, then that's worth serious consideration.